Hello people, how you doing? Right, Jeff B here once again. Another video for the Facebook group Coronavirus Lockdown Kitchen Meals Showdown. Ha! Right, people keep asking me to do these videos, but I really don't know how long I can keep this up for. And but anyway, I'm just messing around, and believe it or not, right, I'm a busy man and haven't really got time for all this stuff all the time. I've got loads of things I'm trying to do. But anyway, so what I'm going to make, I'm going to show you, very easy. All my things are very easy, right? I know some of you, they're very complicated, and you know, feel free to get pen and paper, like in one of my other videos, you know, I think my second video, very complicated stuff, you need a pen and paper, right? But, so, what I'm going to make is German currywurst, right? Huh? Yeah, you weren't expecting that, were you? No, you weren't, right? Now, not a lot of people know this, but I am actually half German. My mum is German. I was born in Garden City. Yeah, I grew up in I'm English, right? I'm English, but I am half German. And yeah, so I thought I'd make this. Now, traditionally, they use, obviously, German sausage. I am going to just use normal pork sausages. I've already cooked them, don't worry, I've already made them. You haven't got to sit here waiting for the oven to cook the sausages for 20 minutes. Just in case you don't know how to cook sausages, now, I personally I know some people grill them, that's a lot of messing around, you've got to keep turning and messing around. I'll just put them in the oven 20 minutes, boom, right? And another little Jeff B tip of the day, right? This ingenious invention is called foil. Yeah, you like that, didn't you? It's amazing, isn't it? Foil. Right, wrap your tray in the foil, put your sausages on there, bung them in the oven for 20 minutes. They come out perfect. And then you screw that up and throw it in a bin. And then you just put your tray back in the cupboard because it's clean, man. Boom! That's just how I roll, right? Anyway, so I've got, also another thing, so yesterday I made a roast dinner, and now I mean I'm one person, I've got a bloody whole chicken, and anyway, so what I've done, I've just got all the scraped all the chicken off, put in a little pot to the side, and then I put all the bones and the leftover bits in a pot, full up as high as I can get it with water. Right, now I've got this on the hob. I'm only putting it on half heat because I've got so much water in it, because it all evaporates obviously, and then you're left with fuck all. So I'm put as much water in as I can, but obviously if it's then boiling, it's going everywhere. Right? Have some sense, people. Have some sense, right? Common sense. Right? So once that starts evaporating, then I'll turn it up a little bit. I mean, it's bubbling anyway at half heat, so it's good, right? And then I'll just leave that for a couple of hours or ever long I feel like it. And then I'll add a bit of stock. I'll drain that out, get all the bones and everything out. Put it back, bit of stock, bit of pasta, like spaghetti or something. I'll chop up a little spaghetti in little bits, and maybe do some dumplings or something like that. Put whatever you like in it. Soup, salted. Right, anyway, there's another thing. I'm not doing soup now. I'm doing currywurst, right? Now, so I've got normal sausages, and if I can find this amazing device called a knife, huh? Now I'm going to chop these up into little bits like that, right? Just chop, oh shit, look, I caught it, see, I'm on the ball, man, no mess with me, right? Little bits like that. Now I've got what's going on? I'm not going to say her name because she'll stop tripping out. You've got to be careful talking to that device. Right. I've got a little dish like this, because normally when you go to Germany, or you might have seen them Herman the German vans around in London, they give you like a little paper tray thing. If you might have a foil thing, whatever. I've got this little dish, it's just easier, it keeps all in there nicely. Put it on a plate, do whatever you like, you know, it's your business, not my business what you do, right? I'm just telling you how I roll, what I do, right? Do what you like with this information. Right, so anyway, so I get this and I've got 6 sausages here because my pack of sausages came with 12 and I just thought I'll cook 6 and put the other 12 back in the fridge. Obviously it's quite a lot, but right, so I've chopped them up, put them in this dish. I mean, there's quite a lot there. Right, and then you've got this special ingredient. And this is clever shit too. Clever stuff. Right, so that's all the sausages in there. When you go to Germany, they lay them out a bit nicer. They just put like 1 or 2 sausages and then they cut it up like that. But this is me, right? Then you have this curry ketchup, right? Curry ketchup. This is proper German curry ketchup. Now, I don't expect you to have this in your cupboard, but I do believe Heinz do a curry ketchup, which you can buy from Tesco's. Now, if you haven't got that in your cupboard, which you probably won't have, I done a little experiment earlier before this video. See, I'll try and do my prep and research for you. You know, this is very informative stuff. You know, don't just think I'll come on here willy-nilly, just chuck the camera on, mess around. No, I professionally seek these things out and do my research, right? Just for you, right? Now, almost forgot, always dancing, yeah? A bit of music in the background makes it taste so much better, I tell you. Bit of head wobbling. God, I nearly knocked myself out on that. Right, that would have made you laugh. Okay, right, curry ketchup, and literally, oh yeah, I was going to tell you what I do. Right, so I'm getting distracted. I ain't got a lot of this left, but you literally cover it all. This is the last bit I'm going to use, and then I'm throwing this away. Anyway, what I was going to tell you, so if you haven't got curry ketchup, get a little dish and get a dessert spoon. One of these babies, dessert spoon. Right, it's in between a teaspoon and tablespoon. Right, one of them. And I have found 2 of these, maybe 3 of these, and then 1 or 1.5 teaspoons of this magic stuff. Curry powder. Right, so this all is a little bit harsher than the proper German curry ketchup. So if you don't get the ketchup, if you do it this way and make your own, don't expect it to be exactly the same as German curry sauce. But if you can get the proper curry ketchup, literally this is the one, man. And literally just put it all. So like I said, a couple of dessert spoons of ketchup, a bit of curry powder. Do that to taste. You might find you want a bit more curry powder or a bit more ketchup. Do that to your taste, right? But it's not going to be the same as this. But if you haven't got this, then that's an alternative, right? So I ain't got enough. Oh yeah, there we go. Right, anyway, and right, so that is sausages covered in curry ketchup, and then you get a bit of curry powder, and then you just sprinkle a little bit. Again, it's to taste. A little bit over the top, and literally that is currywurst. Now, traditionally, you're impressed, aren't you? You're like, oh my God, Jeff B is the bollocks. I know, I can hear you. Right, now, also in my other videos you'll see preparation is everything. I previously got my butter out of my fridge so it's soft enough. Now, traditionally, when the Germans give you this, you get a little bread roll with it. Right, little bread roll. Now, this ain't a bread roll, this is the end of a bit of bread. Right, that I had done earlier. I was trying to fool you then. I nearly got away with that. I could have done, couldn't I? There's my bread roll. Anyway, I haven't got a bread roll, but this is another tip for you. If you haven't got a bread roll, this is just ingenious, right? So, hang on. So, if you haven't got a bread roll, this is a quick, easy way to make one. Right, a bit of bread and roll. See, instant bread roll. Right, be happy, be safe, peace.